Welcome, my name is Denise Yezbak Moore, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make 4 different kinds of ear wires using eye pins and beaded head pins. We will also be creating these little earrings at the end. The tools and supplies that you will need to create these earrings are bail making pliers, round nose pliers with tiny little ends. These pliers are from Lindstrom. They are amazing. Wire cutters and chain nose pliers. And of course, the beaded 2-inch head pin and an eye pin 2-inch. And I believe these are 22 gauge. You will also need an emery board or a little file. Let's talk quickly about the beaded head pin and the eye pin. These are basic craft head pins and eye pins. They're pretty hard. This wire is definitely not soft. These are actually from Michaels. If you were using softer head pins or eye pins, once you complete your ear wire, you need to hammer it lightly to harden the wire. We are going to start off by making the easiest, what I consider the easiest ear wire, using an eye pin. We are going to grab our bail making pliers. I'm using the biggest one right there, and we're just going to place it right there so it's butted right up against. And now I'm just going to bend that wire all the way around. Let's remove it. And we are going to come in with our chain nose pliers. And I'm just making a slight bend. Then we're going to trim off that little end. Sometimes that little end can be a little sharp. You can just come back in with an emery board or a file and just kind of file it down until it no longer feels sharp. Let's up our game a little bit with these fish hook style earrings. We are using our 2-inch beaded head pin. We're going to come over and we are going to bend it back. Then we're going to place our pliers right about there, and we're going to bend it, move the pliers towards you, and bend it a little more. I'm going to remove it and just kind of squish it down a little bit. I'm going to come back in and I'm just going to straighten out that end just a tad. I just placed the head pin into the bail making pliers. We're going to use the smaller side this time. And we're just going to come over and we are going to bend that wire. We can take it off, grab our chain nose pliers, make a slight bend. We can trim off that little end. And now we are going to file so that the edges are no longer sharp. And there you can see the finished ear wire. Our next ear wire is the little beaded head pin ear wire. We are using our 2-inch beaded head pin, coming down right to the end. We're going to bend that till the ball hits the wire. Now we're going to grab our bail making pliers, and I'm moving it right up to the end, right there. And we are just going to bend that wire all the way around. And then we're going to remove it. You can pick where you want to make your bend. I'm going to make my bend right about there. And then I'm going to grab my wire cutters, trim off that little end, and of course, once again, we're going to file that end so there are no sharp edges. You can just kind of feel it and keep filing. You can come back in, you can squish it a little bit. And then there is our ear wire. Our next ear wire, I've added these little beads. Once again, we're using our 2-inch beaded head pin. We're going right about there, and we're bending it till the ball reaches the wire. Now I'm grabbing 2 4mm beads, and I'm just stringing those beads down, and we're going to place it into our bail making pliers. The beads are butted up right to the end. We're on the smaller one. And now we're going to bend that wire all the way around. Take it off. We made our little bend. This one you don't even have to trim, but you can trim it. If you decide to go a little bit higher up, you can trim it and then file it down. These cute little earrings have a little shell charm, and the loop is facing towards us. And once you put these little beads on, you cannot pass this over that little bead there. So I'm going to show you how to create these earrings. Once again, you're grabbing your beaded 2-inch head pin, and we are placing it right there. And we're going to bend it all the way till the ball meets the wire. And then we are going to string our little charm onto the head pin. I just picked up 2 4mm beads, and we're going to string those beads down. And we're going to grab our bail making pliers, and we're going in the smaller drum, and we're going to bend that wire all the way around. And then we're going to take it off, and we're going to come back over, and I just made my bend. This is not sharp. If you wanted to make the wire cut here, you would bend it, and then of course use the emery board to file that little end. And there you have it, how to create ear wires using beaded head pins and eye pins. If you enjoyed this video, please check out my other DIY videos on my channel. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Denise Yezbak Moore. If you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment. I love to chat with beaders worldwide. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.